Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe!
That's right, we are going to taste something that dropped in fairly new at Trader Joe's. You know, we keep going to Trader Joe's and getting this stuff. I'm starting to feel like a shill for Trader Joe's. If anybody from Trader Joe's is watching, you know, we are up for support, you know, sponsorship. That would be really great. Anyway, let's talk about this Trader Joe's Patio potato chips. Mixed bag of sea salt and vinegar, delicious dill, home-style ketchup, and smoke and sweet barbecue flavored potato chips. It's gluten-free.
Three of those sound terrible.
It's gluten-free. On the back here it says, a barbecue is always better when a cast of colorful characters is in attendance. We suggest bags of these Patio potato chips, the crunchiest characters on the block. Dark russet potatoes are partnered with punchy flavors. Punchy flavors. Barbecue, dill, sea salt and vinegar, or ketchup. To keep the conversation captivating. Oh, I misread that. I'm sorry. Dark russet potatoes are partnered with punchy flavors. Barbecue, dill, sea salt, and vinegar or ketchup to keep the conversation captivating. Stay in school, kids. Reach in the bag and let fate decide which chip suits your character. There are 6 servings in this one bag. A serving, 11 chips. Calories, 140 calories. 8 grams total fat. And like I said, I did mention it's gluten-free. Okay, I'm going to give you my first impression. You don't mind me sharing with you my first impression. This sounds disgusting. I know what they're getting at. In the old days when you would go, anyway, when you would go to a party or something, you know, and somebody will throw in a bowl one kind of potato chip and then somebody else will show up and dump in another flavor potato chip, and next thing you know you're having like all these different chips. The beauty of that is that you can pick through and get the chip that you want if you feel so inclined. These flavors, I've had their barbecue chips, I had their sea salt and vinegar chips. I've even gotten brave and had the dill pickle chips.
What?
Remember that? Or was it the popcorn that they had?
That's the popcorn.
Oh, okay, popcorn. That's true. Yeah, they do have a pickle flavor popcorn. Anyway, so getting to this, I don't have high hopes for this. I'm going in thinking a 1.
And
I'm
thinking of negative 20.
Hey, I might be with you on that one. Here, do the honors of cutting this open while we think about this. When it comes to eating different things, I am a person who loves consistency and even consistency. I do not like too many things going on. I don't need to have my taste buds stimulated with a whole bunch of different flavors, because now I'm at a point where I'm not enjoying anything. Whoa, what was that look? All right, let's take a look at this.
It smells nasty.
All right, I don't know. If you can look inside that bag, you see that there's different colored chips going on in there. I could see that the ones that are kind of reddish, they are definitely probably the barbecue chips. And then good luck with everything else. So hopefully you like these flavors. So let's have a little fun. You grab one, I grab one, and we could share what flavor we're tasting.
Oh no, I think I picked terribly wrong.
Okay, let's see. Woo! Oh my God, that's salty and tart. I'm having sea salt and vinegar. Woo!
Oh, that's terrible! That's terrible! No! That's the worst potato chip I've eaten!
What flavor did you get?
Pickle!
My condolences. I like salt and vinegar. It makes me think of that time when I was in London and I had my, fish and chips with the malt vinegar on it. It's not bad, but I'm not going to crunch in you guys' ears. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. Let's try another one.
Yeah.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I think this is ketchup.
I don't know what flavor that was. I think that was dill. Yeah, it does have a pickle taste. What did you get? Ketchup?
Ketchup.
Oh, God.
That is nasty.
You know what? Ketchup on hot dog. Ketchup is for children. It's sweet. I'm not a big ketchup person. Seriously. And you're not digging it either, right? Let's try one more. Let's.
Okay. I mean for barbecue.
That's a barbecue.
Dang, this is...
I feel like we're playing Bean Boozled with those jelly beans that have disgusting flavors.
Yeah.
What was that?
Ketchup.
Ketchup? Oh man, you're just not having the best of luck. Let's try one more time. Close your eyes and just dig one out.
Oh no.
Okay, this is mine.
This is mine.
Oh boy. Are you ready to score this? I told you when I saw this on the aisle, I told you this was disgusting. And you said, Mom, let's go get this and do a tasty finds for it. And I said,
I've messed up.
do you know what I could do with that money? These weren't very expensive. But I'm sure you could tell already, but okay. On a scale of 1 to 4,
What?
1 meaning I'll give this a hard pass. 4 means I will pick this up for my personal consumption again. You want to say this together?
Yeah.
I think we both have the same one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We give this
One.
a 1. Yeah.
1.
I'm sorry. You know what? I'm going to tell you the truth. When I would go to parties and I would see people dropping all kind of different types of chips in a bucket, or not bucket, what kind of parties do you go to?
A bowl.
In the bowl. I always think to myself, why? Why? Now I feel like, when you watch an NBA game and at the end they're throwing in players that you didn't even know that were on the team and you're throwing them out there, they call it garbage time in the NBA. Am I right?
Yeah.
That poor little scrawny guy in the back. Anyway, and I always think, yeah, this is garbage time now. This is time to go. Go look for who you came with. Tell the host, thank you very much. You had a good time, and just hit the bricks. Yeah, no, If I want barbecue chips, I'll buy barbecue chips. If I want dill pickle, I never will want dill pickle flavored chips. I will get the dill pickle chips, but this. I feel like I'm playing Russian roulette with Yeah, and 140 calories. Good luck with this. I don't know. Maybe someone else in the household might enjoy this. I'm surely not. You have any last words?
These are the worst chips I've ever eaten. Now, if you like good potato chips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Okay, this might look weird to you. I'm kind of snipping the chip.
That's very weird.
No, but I'm just saying, if you feel so compelled to buy these, and you want to make sure you're going to get a good flavor. I want to make sure that people can kind of like sniff it first. But man, that would be kind of gross if you're at a party and they're like, "What's she doing over there?"
Someone grabs a chip from the bowl.
No, don't want that one.
They'll just walk right out.
You're like, "Where's my coat?" Okay, anyway, I hope you have a good one. This is all for this. Once again, I gotta say, at Trader Joe's, they will open up something and they will let you sample it for free.
I should start doing that.
I think, maybe we should do a tasty
Yeah.
find at a Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Save us some money. Okay, anyway, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, put them down below. If you've tried this and this is like in your wheelhouse and you really like it and you want to, tell us so, leave a comment, please.
Please.
Tell us why. Why? Okay, anyway, that's it for us. Until next time.